Hello, Longisa. Another day, another beach. We in China head, and it look like this. People are swimming. We're about to swim in a minute. So the mountain is right here. The same mountain that you guys keep seeing over and over again. Okay, we're gonna go in Kalbi, the famous food truck area. We're gonna look for food to eat over there. Area, how you pronounce? Kalbi areas. Oh, smells so good. Yummy. You can smell that. The shrimp smell, the garlic smell, the beautiful dress. It's right there, right? Oh, look at all this pretty stuff. South t-shirts, $5. Hawaii. Oh, pretty, pretty. Pretty right there. Corner coffee. This is where you get all your stuff at. Oh, whoa. Thai way again. Where all the food at? Right here?
So I think there's some there. It's like everywhere.
Oh, we have to look for it. Okay, let's go to the shrimp.
This one?
Which one? Okay, where's this one at? So we can go get
We
it.
can go get your shrimp first.
Oh, no, let's go get over
Get
there.
that one first.
Yeah.
I'll get yours first. I'm not gonna get cold.
Let's go get you guys food first. Come on. Coconut pineapple. Okay, come on, let's go. Hello, Longisa. So I order the famous shrimp. This is food truck. Let's see how here have more food truck. I haven't go the other side yet. My son ordered over here, and his girlfriend ordered over there. So much option over here. They have the Thai food. They have the coffee over there. They have mocha. They have burgers. And then all this. So we're getting food, and then we're gonna go get it from. We're gonna go eat in the beach, and then over here, this side, they have taco in my bag, taco truck. No time for me to go, because I'm holding the food. And then you see this, they have that. I don't know if we can swim in here or not. Let's see. Got this from the Kalbi on fire food truck area, and this is what I got. I got the main one, the most famous one. Let's give it a try. Wow, very garlic tea. Good. Thank you. Bye bye.